that is labial puffing or labial fat grafting. Because of this, skin wrinkling also increases, skin dryness increases, and the youthfulness and the irritability or dryness increases. So now coming to its benefits. See, labial fat grafting definitely is a cosmetic procedure, no doubt. So this is a safe with minimal side effects and quite long lasting natural effects. If you are considering intimate rejuvenation, so this is one of the beautiful and satisfying options, that is labial puffing or labial fat grafting. So as a female body ages, post-pregnancy, childbirth, hormonal changes and age-related changes, there will be skin wrinkling throughout the body. As a part of the body, the skin at the labia also wrinkles and also the underlying fat tissue deposits also reduces. Because of this, skin wrinkling also increases, skin dryness increases, and the youthfulness and the irritability or dryness increases. Labial fat grafting is a quite minimally invasive procedure wherein it's a daycare procedure done under local anesthesia, and you can walk in, do the procedure and walk out on the same day with very minimal downtime and quick recovery. So what we do in this procedure is we take out fat. That means fat is harvested from the fat lying areas like commonly in the lower abdomen or in a part of the thighs. This area is infused with a fluid with a 2 to 3 mm incision, and after that fat is liposuctioned from that area. Desired amount of fat is liposuctioned, and this fat gotten is reduced to micro or nano fat and loaded into syringes by processing like decantation or centrifugation. So after this, once the syringes and cannulas are ready, this processed fat is being injected into the labia majora, both left and right. So this is done by 2 incisions on both the sides, that is left side and right side. 2 to 3 mm incision, fat is grafted into the labia majora, and approximately 50 to 100 ml on each side depending on the body weight or body surface area of the patient. So once a fat is grafted, usually you can go back home on the around like half an hour to 1 hour post procedure. So once the fat is grafted, it gives a quite youthful appearance. Also skin texture improves, hydration improves. So probably immediately post procedure there will be a little more bulginess which might scare you a little, because we put around 20 to 30% of extra fat to that area, because this is the amount probably body will absorb, and it will slowly over a period of 2 to 3 months will be reduced. And also the edema, like in normal terms what you call the water retention, will be reducing over a period of 2 to 3 months. So these changes over a period of 2 to 3 months will be giving you a more subtle, natural, youthful appearance. So now coming to the post-op care. Post-op care usually is more so less painful. Usually we do give a small course of antibiotics, and if at all painkillers if required only. You can always have a ice pack on your perineum or the labia majora just to calm you and soothe you down. So this is the bare minimum post-op care what is required. So now coming to its benefits. See, labial fat grafting definitely is a cosmetic procedure, no doubt, but it also has functional benefits. There are females or girls who come with complaints of quite amount of irritability, itching and dryness. So because fat is your own body cells and it is a kind of a totipotent stem cells, it has regenerative properties. So that also improves the skin texture, reduces because of this, and it also has stem cells as I mentioned, increases the blood supply to that area, hydration to that area. So all these points helps reducing the itching and also the dryness. So this fat what we have put into the tissues will stay for a long time. This is one of the common concerns what we get when we plan for a labial fat grafting, that is how long will it stay. So it's almost permanent way of voluminizing that area, and it's going to be quite number of years. So another small option of labial puffing or labial filling is by fillers. There's something called body fillers, that is with hyaluronic acid, which can be injected into that area, but compared to fat grafting, body fillers are short lasting and around maximum 18 to 24 months. So again you will have to redo the procedures with hyaluronic acid fillers. So compared to that, fat grafting is a much better option, more long lasting, biocompatible, and as it's your own body tissues what we are using. So rest be quite reassured. So this is a safe with minimal side effects and quite long lasting natural effects.